Welcome to the tutorial on how to create quick asset cards in OCTOBUS. Our latest one-click feature eliminates multiple setup steps, allowing you to instantly deploy device summaries onto your dashboard. When creating a new, empty dashboard, the Quick Add floating menu opens automatically on the right, displaying your available devices. On a populated dashboard, this panel stays minimized to keep your view clean, but you can open it anytime by clicking the floating button. Traditionally, deploying an asset card requires clicking the Create button at the top, opening the widget wizard, filtering categories, and manually adjusting setup steps. Now, you can bypass the entire setup menu. Simply find your device in the sidebar list and click the plus icon next to the asset name. With just a single click, OCTOBUS renders a pre-configured quick asset card instantly. This drastically speeds up large-scale setups. Click the plus icon next to your remaining assets sequentially, and you can map out your entire facility network in seconds. These cards are fully customizable. Click the three dots on your card, select Edit Widget. From here, you can easily adapt the card to track any crucial telemetry, whether it is monitoring live operational status, tracking resource depletion like water levels, or evaluating overall area completion. Furthermore, you have complete control over the layout aesthetics, allowing you to change the widget background color to match your company dashboard theme before clicking Save. To maximize your screen space while organizing your layout, simply click the X on the floating button to hide the panel, or click it again to reopen the menu. To clean your workspace, click the Dashboard Tools icon, then select to delete widgets. Check the box on each widget you want to clear, click the Delete button at the top, and then click Confirm. Now you know how to build quick asset cards in OCTOBUS to save your valuable time. If you have any questions, please leave comments under the video and we will get back to you.